This is ERi-TV, dear viewers. Welcome to English News broadcast for this hour. I'm Barsabet Taghla, reporting live from the headquarters in Asmara, and these are the major headlines for today. Workshop on cultivation of select potato seeds in Gashwarka region. Asmara Physiotherapy Center making a difference in national health. Israel vows to finish the job in Gaza as War Cabinet member threatens a deadline for Rafah. And dozens of people killed in a tribal dispute in Papua New Guinea. On your domestic report, agricultural experts in the Gashwarka region organized a workshop for the farming community, particularly fruit and vegetable farmers in the Barantu subzone, focusing on the cultivation of select potato seeds. The workshop, held on 18 February, featured extensive briefings on the reproduction techniques and the widespread application of select seeds in farming activities. Mr. Muse Bahta, head of agriculture in the Barantu subzone, emphasized the workshop's role in enhancing agricultural production and productivity. Ms. Tsagga Taghlai, coordinator of the Plant Development Division of the Ministry of Agriculture, reported that approximately 44 quintals of potatoes were harvested from select seeds planted on a quarter hectare of farmland. She urged the farmers to follow professional advice to achieve abundant harvests. In his closing remarks, Mr. Yemane Mahari, acting administrator of the Barantu subzone, encouraged fruit and vegetable farmers to adopt scientific method in seed development and to use select seeds in their cultivation practices. He also stressed the importance of sharing experiences with the community. Participants expressed that the workshop had significantly increased their understanding of the benefits of using select seeds and requested the organization for a similar workshops in other areas of the region. The Asmara Physiotherapy Center is playing a significant role in improving the health conditions of many nationals, as stated in a recent interview with ERI-TV. Mr. Burhana Hayalu, the head and a physiotherapy expert at the center, reported that the patient cure rate has seen a 10% increase in 2023, achieving a remarkable 93% cure rate. Mr. Burhana highlighted that the center caters to 250-300 patients daily from across the country, with a total of 4,631 patients treated in 2023 alone. Impressively, 93% of the patients have shown significant progress, while only 2% showed no improvement and 5% discontinued their treatment due to various reasons. He noted that a significant proportion of the treatments, 46% to be exact, were for patients with spinal cord issues, partial paralysis, and muscle contractions. Mr. Burhana also pointed out the high success rate in treating facial disfigurements when addressed within 10 days of occurrence, urging nationals to seek timely medical interventions and avoid traditional remedies that may worsen their conditions. Mr. Kifla Afle, another physiotherapy expert at the center, echoed Mr. Burhana's sentiments, expressing satisfaction in seeing patients' progress. He emphasized the importance of seeking prompt treatment at the center and cautioned against the delay caused by resorting to traditional healing methods. On your last local report, Eritrean cyclists showcased their dominance at the Tour du Rwanda 2024, securing 3 prestigious jerseys during the exhilarating spirit finish of the second stage. Marhawi Kudus maintained his position as the leading African rider, while Aghlilu Arafine was once again crowned the top young African rider. The competition was particularly fierce in the youth category, where Eritrean athletes secured 3 of the top 5 positions, with Aghlilu Arafine claiming first place, closely followed by Yuel Habtab in second place, and Yafet Mulugeta completing the top 5. Covering a distance of 129.4 kilometers, the second stage showcased the Eritrean national cycling team's prowess as they took the lead in the national team's category, with the Rwandan team coming in second place. This performance highlights the depth and strength of Eritrean cycling on the African continent. The 2024 Tour du Rwanda, set to conclude on February 25th, promises more challenges with its next stage on February 20th. This 141-kilometer leg is anticipated to be a test of endurance and strategy, featuring demanding climbs and intense competition. Dear viewers, we'll be back with your international reports and more. Please stay tuned. Welcome back. Israel Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu on Sunday brushed off growing calls to halt the military offensive in Gaza, vowing to finish the job as a member of his war cabinet threatened to invade the southern city of Rafah if remaining Israeli hostages are not freed by the upcoming Muslim holy month of Ramadan. Israel's government has not publicly discussed a timeline for the ground offensive on Rafah, where more than half the enclave's 2.3 million Palestinians have sought refuge. As ceasefire negotiations struggle after signs of progress in recent weeks, Netanyahu has called demands by Gaza's ruling Hamas militant group delusional. The United States, Israel's top ally, says it still hopes to broker a ceasefire and hostage release agreements. On today's final report, dozens of people have died in a tribal dispute in Papua New Guinea's remote highlands region, authorities say. The victims were shot dead during an ambush in the Enga province over the weekend, a national police spokesman told reporters. The highlands area has long struggled with violence, but these killings are believed to be the worst in years. An influx of illegal firearms has made clashes more deadly and fueled a cycle of violence. Authorities initially said at least 64 people have died, but later reports said they had miscounted and revised the toll down to 26. You're still watching us on ERi-TV, dear viewers, and now a very quick recap of the major headlines. Workshop on cultivation of select potato seeds in Gashwarka region. Smart Physiotherapy Center making a difference in national health. Israel vows to finish the job in Gaza as war cabinet member threatens a deadline for Rafah. And dozens of people killed in a tribal dispute in Papua New Guinea. Dear viewers, that was it for today. Thanks for watching.